So on this one here, it's nothing more than finding an equation of a line from a table, writing it in slope-intercept form. So the first thing I'm going to choose 2 points, label my points. So this is my x1, y1, x2, y2, and now I'm going to plug it in. So I have my y2 minus my y1 over my x2 minus my x1. So I'm left with -3 over +2. So my slope is -3 over 2. Okay, so which two are not it? Well, I'm going to get rid of C and I'm going to get rid of D. And now I'm going to find my y-intercept. So I'm going to plug this into slope-intercept form. So choose a point. Okay, we're going to choose, let's just choose our first one. Oops. Okay, I have -4 and 10. And I'm going to plug it into this equation. So instead of y, I'm going to put in 10. My slope I know is -3 over 2. My x value is -4. And we want to find our y-intercept. So I have 10 equals 12 over 2 plus b. So I have 10 equals 6 plus b. Subtracting 6 from both sides, I can find that my y-intercept is 4. So I'm looking for an equation of a line that has a slope of -3 over 2 and a y-intercept of 4. That's it. Now the other way you could have done it, okay, make it easy on yourself, is this way. Okay, so once I found my slope, I knew my only answer choices here were A and B. Okay, A has a y-intercept of 4. B has a y-intercept of -14. One thing was, what do you know about y-intercepts? Well, y-intercepts, the x value is always 0. So look at your table. Okay, if I had to plug in a 0, it's going to be right in here, which means I'm looking for the y value in here. Okay, now looking at this, I have to judge, okay, I need either a 4 or 14. I can gauge that more than likely, okay, a good guesstimate is like 4 is going to be here in between 7 and -5 because my -14 is going to be further down my table.